Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a cute house. Let's start with the outline. Did you know that roofs protect us from rain, snow, and the sun? The steep roofs you see on some houses are designed to let the rain slide off so it doesn't build up and make the house wet. Chimneys are used to let out smoke from fires that warm up the house. They keep the air inside the house fresh and clean. There are all kinds of houses around the world. In some places, people live in tree houses, while in others, there are igloos made of ice. What kind of house would you want to live in? The first houses were very different from what we live in today. Early humans lived in caves or small shelters made from sticks, leaves, or animal skins. Over time, we learned to build stronger, bigger houses out of wood, brick, and stone. Doors help us keep things safe inside our houses. They let us come and go, but they also keep animals in bad weather outside. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos. Bye.